Here, this problem is based on lines and angles. Okay, let us see this problem. If AB parallel to EF, AB parallel to EF, and EF parallel to CD. Okay, then find the value of X. X is what? BCE. We have to find the value of BCE. So let us see the solution for this. Here, given what is given, ma? AB is parallel to EF and EF is parallel to CD. So what we can say? AB is parallel to CD and BC becomes the transversal. BC is transversal. So by this what we can say? Angle ABC, angle ABC is equals to angle BCD because alternate interior angles. So angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. Since alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay, alternate interior angles. Next, what here? Alternate interior angles. ABC is nothing but 70 degrees and BCD becomes X and Y. Here two angles are there. So if we add these two, we will get this total angle. So X plus Y is equal to 70 degrees. Next, what we can say? See, here it is given one more pair of parallel lines, that is EF and CD. EF and CD. Here EF is parallel to CD and EF is parallel to CD and EC is transversal. EC is transversal. So what we can say? So angle FEC plus angle ECD equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because since those two are co-interior angles. So here EFC, what is the value of FEC? 150 degree. 150 degree plus angle ECD. ECD is Y degrees. Y degree equal to 180 degree. So what we can say? Y is equals to 180 degree minus 150 degree, that equal to 30 degree. So we got the value of Y. Now using this equation 1, from equation 1, X plus Y equal to 70. We know the value of Y. What is the value of Y? 30. 30 degrees is equal to 70 degree. So X is equals to 70 degree minus 30 degree, that is equals to 40 degree. Okay. So we got the value of Y. What is the question asked here? What is the question asked here? Value of X. Find the value of X. So we got the value of X. Okay.